Gone are the days of fumbling about with thumb screws and plastic mounts. Now it's all about magnetic quick swap mounts, and while GoPro are late to the party, finally we have their take on what a magnetic mounting system should be, with the GoPro Magnetic Latch Mount. While most action cameras come with compatible mounts within the package, it's actually not included in the Hero 13 package. If you want it, you'll need to purchase it separately, which is rather typical of GoPro. Nevertheless, it can come in handy depending on how you use your camera, and carries a little hidden trick that could give it the edge above the competition. With a durable metal construction, the adapter itself feels rigid and secure. In typical GoPro fashion, there's no issue with build quality at all. GoPro accessories do always carry a very high quality construction, and the same is true here. On the top we have these nubs that line up with the 1/4" 20 mount within the camera, helping to easily position the camera when attaching, as well as two rubber strips that create a tighter seal that help reduce the chances of any micro vibrations being seen in your footage. Of course, magnets alone are not strong enough to keep action cameras on mounts during most activities. They're only really used to help line up and draw the parts together. So at either end we have these integrated hooks that secure the mount to the camera, and they work really well, which is fortunate because the magnets alone in this mount are really quite weak. As long as the hooks are firmly in place though, there's no way the camera is coming loose once attached. My main issue with this mount at this stage then is the bottom. The only way to connect this to any other mount is by using the old finger mounting system that GoPro made famous. And while a short thumb screw is included in the package, we are still back to that old screwing system in order to attach the mount to anything else. Saying that, once the magnetic mount is attached to your chosen accessory, attaching and removing the GoPro itself is as easy as it possibly could be. The magnets do somewhat help to line up, while a push down hooks onto the camera perfectly fine, although I would always recommend double checking, either visually or by giving the camera a tug, just to ensure the camera is secure before use. An added benefit with this mount though is that the camera can be attached in either orientation quick and easy, which isn't possible with most other magnetic mounting systems where you can really only mount the camera in one direction, so that's a nice added touch. Nevertheless, the idea here is to add a couple of these mounts, complete with their thumb screws of course, to different areas so you can quickly and easily move your camera around between them. And when used in this way, it works pretty well. Saying that, I still don't find it as versatile as Insta360's magnetic mounting solution though, which I personally still stand by as the best magnetic mounting system out there right now. Yes, it is a little more costly than GoPro's solution, but not only will it work the same with Insta360's action camera, the Ace Pro, it also includes a 1/4" 20 base plate for attaching to any other camera or accessory too, so you could use it with the GoPro as well in fact. The magnetic attachment is stronger too, actually drawing the camera in, unlike GoPro where you have to manually push into place. It also incorporates a manual lock for use during most extreme activities to ensure there's no way for the hooks to release, but better still it can be mounted to other accessories with both finger mounts or the standard 1/4" 20 thread that's built right into the bottom like a pass-through from the GoPro itself. So while the build quality of both is equally as good, there's just more versatility in the way the Insta360 solution can be used, and you're not just limited to using it with Insta360's own devices either. In essence then, while the GoPro Magnetic Latch Mount makes it easier than ever to move your Hero 13 Black between mounting setups, it is only compatible with their latest flagship, and even then it only works with the GoPro finger mounting ecosystem, so you'll still be using adapters and additional mounts should you wish to attach to a standard tripod or 1/4" bolt for instance. There's very little added versatility. The ability to quickly rotate and switch your POV is a nice added touch though, and if you're looking to only use and move around your Hero 13 camera between mounting locations, the solution does work. But you're stuck if you have other cameras or accessories you may wish to blend into your shooting setup. For that reason, I'd personally still recommend looking at the Insta360 magnetic mount over GoPro's solution. It's more costly, but it's just more versatile overall without limiting its use to only one specific camera model. Otherwise though, for GoPro, this is at least a step in the right direction.